In this video, we will make examples of advanced queries used in Python for Firebase real-time database. To support us, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video. First, we will send data to Firebase real-time database. Using these codes, we can save a dataset to the database. There is a dataset called data. I will save this dataset to the database with the for loop. A random number is generated for each member. Data is saved to the database using the set function. The data is saved to the database sequentially. I want to show you the data. Each data contains ID, name, surname, and age information. We will soon learn how to access this data using advanced queries. I will create a variable. I can search for information using the child and order by child function. Let's perform a search for the name field using the equal to function. I can select a name field from the database. Let's do a search based on the Druzy name field. I retrieve data using the get function. I can print the data using a for loop. I can access readable data with the val function. An error was received because we did not define an index. We need to add an index to the Firebase rules section. This is how you add the index. Add the fields to be searched to the list. I add ID, name, surname, and age fields to the list. Click the Publish button and save. Let's try again. We have accessed the data. You can check the accuracy of the data in Firebase. Let's search by a different field. I will search by age field. I choose an age. For example, I search by 44. There are two data with an age value of 44. Let's do a different example. We can use a range instead of a specific value. By using the start@. function, we can access data with an age field greater than 30. By using the end@. function, we can access data with an age field between 30 and 35. We can access the first data by using the limit to first function. For example, let's try to access the first two data. We can access the latest data by using the limit to last function. Let's try to access the last two data. We can sort for key. While sending the data to the Firebase database, we created a random number for each of them. We can show these keys by sorting them. Data was shown sequentially. We can use the key function to access keys. We can access the first data by using the limit to first function. For example, let's try to access the first data. We can access the latest data by using the limit to last function. For example, let's try to access the last 3 data. To support us, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.